Hi everyone, my name is Atik and I studied as an undergrad at Cornell. Cornell is a diverse school. It has 8 undergraduate colleges, which means that as a student you can take classes in different colleges regardless of what you major in. So I majored in math and economics, but I could choose classes in different colleges based on my interest. Some memorable classes for me were the 2 freshman writing seminars that I chose. One was in the study of utopian societies, and the interesting part about this was that our final paper, we could design our own utopian society, which kind of got our imagination flowing. And one of the most interesting papers that I've ever written. I also took a freshman writing seminar in mysteries in film and stories. So this basically allowed us to understand and critically analyze stories that you've grown up with, like Sherlock Holmes or Agatha Christie, and study them in more detail and write papers about them. So another recommended class for me. I enjoyed it a lot. I could also study classes in ancient Egyptian civilization and Japanese civilization, ancient Japanese civilization, something that you would never otherwise study, but I got a chance to do that. So my recommendation is, if you do study at Cornell, take classes outside of your major, outside of your comfort zone. You don't have to declare your major until the junior year, or it was that way when I was an undergrad at Cornell. So definitely, take advantage of the diverse curriculum that Cornell has to offer. There are courses in wine tasting. There are courses in Bollywood film. There are other interesting engineering courses that you might like. So definitely make the most of that. Outside of academics, Cornell has a good student club culture as well. So I was a part of the Cornell Venture Capital Club. That allowed me to work with the venture capital firms that gave us as students projects that we could work on and get a feel for venture capital at an early stage. There was also a very popular Cornell Investment Club that some undergraduates would definitely be very interested in. And I have friends who started the Rock and Roll Club at Cornell, which was another cool club where students got together and studied records from various eras that for people who were interested in music could get the opportunity to study and discuss with their peers. So overall, I would say Ithaca is a great place. Beautiful. There are so many different outdoor activities that you can do, such as hiking, trekking, nature walks, kayaking, sailing, just to name a few. You can go skiing as part of the Cornell Ski Club also. So make the most of the outdoors. Ithaca has gorges and waterfalls running through campus. This is something you might never get, such a beautiful campus experience that has all the amenities and facilities that a college needs, but at the same time is in such sync with nature. One of the most unique things about Cornell. And even though it's not close to any of the big cities, I think that is something which really benefits you, because you get that community feel at Cornell. So I think community feel is one thing which is really, really important when you choose a college, because those 4 years of your life will be the best years of your life, and the community that you bond with, the friends you make, that's absolutely amazing when it comes to Cornell and other schools, I guess, that have the same kind of community feel also. So that is a criteria that you should definitely keep in mind while choosing colleges. When it comes to post-college employment, when you're looking for jobs and internships, make sure that you prioritize academics and extracurriculars since the beginning, so that you have built a strong resume going into junior year, which is when you need to start looking for internships and networking. So I think networking is something which people don't talk about too much before you go to college, but you'll realize how important it is when you are an undergraduate, meeting the right people, going to info sessions, going to career events. That is something that will always benefit you when you are selecting the right internship, which ultimately leads to full-time hiring also. So overall, make sure that you have your experience planned out. As important as going with the flow when it comes to college life it is also important to plan certain things so that you are set when it comes to either getting the good grades or getting the right internships and joining the right student organizations, and that will ultimately set you up for a great career too. So I hope this was informative enough, and I hope that you guys have a great college experience, and all the best to all of you. Thank you.